Okay, so today we are going to show you, this is Pablo, or Pablo's going to show you that he really likes to have his nails trimmed. It's an important piece of husbandry for caring for your dog. So I like these nail clippers because they have this little stopper on them, so you don't clip too far. Because if you do clip the quick of your dog's nail, they are not gonna let you forget that. Which I did with him once, and we had to really build back up to this training. So now you're seeing that Pablo has noticed I'm holding these clippers, and he has actually gone ahead and given me his paw, which I interpret as him asking to have his nails trimmed. He's kind of a fancy boy. So we're just gonna isolate one, hold it real still, clip it, and then the most important piece is, of course, the payment. Good job, kiddo. What?
That was really good. You can do another one. I'd love to see his right paw out. Stay closer to the camera.
Focus on him, not on me, okay?
Well, yeah, you're the trainer.